Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller, Plano's Media Relations Director, and this is Plano City News, your local-only Plano newscast. This week we start with an upcoming closure on Spring Creek Parkway from Park Boulevard to Parker Road. The road will be closed in both directions during the month of June while a contractor repairs concrete panels. The closure is all about safety. It's necessary for the contractor to safely make repairs since this section of Spring Creek is only 2 lanes. Construction is planned during the summer to limit disruption to the PISD Holyfield Science Learning Center. We have received a number of complaints about this section of roadway over the last year, and this is the best way to make the repairs. The closure begins June 2nd. All lanes will be open by July 1st for the 4th of July festival. Plano Parks is using a new mowing strategy in certain areas to enhance sustainability and natural growth. It's known as mixed maintenance. Mowing is reduced in select locations to help native plants thrive, improving habitats for pollinators, and it conserves resources. You can learn more at share.plano.gov/growzones. The city and community will honor our 4 outgoing city council members at a reception next week. Join us Thursday, May 29th from 5:30 to 7 p.m. in the Florence Shapiro Council Chambers for a come-and-go reception. Remarks will begin at 5:45. It's a great way for all of us to show our appreciation to Anthony Riccadelli, Casey Prince, Rick Smith, and Shelby Williams for their time on the council and service to the citizens of Plano. Registration is now open for the Plano ISD and City of Plano Back to School Fair. Plano families in need will receive vision and dental screenings, haircuts, community resources, and low-cost immunizations. They will also receive a box of shelf-stable food while supplies last, and students with tickets will receive a backpack. The Back to School Fair will be held Wednesday, July 30th from 4 to 7 p.m. at the Plano Event Center, located at 2000 East Spring Creek Parkway. Now let's meet our pet of the week. It's a first for PCN. It's a reptile, a tan snake named Draco. He came to the shelter when his owner was evicted from an apartment. To see all the pets up for adoption at the shelter, go to share.plano.gov/petsforadoption. That does it for this week's edition of Plano City News. For more from our great city, head to social media. Check us out there, and you can always go to our website, plano.gov. See you next week.